guys, today we're going to be opening a Pokemon pack, but first I need you guys to say Alakazam, and then I'll do this with my hand and then it will come out of my lap.
Alakazam!
2, 1. And then goes the pack.
What is the pack today?
Astral, Radiance. The artwork is very nice. The Pokemon company is very neat. I can't even feel that. So let's open it. Guess the energy before it's too late. I guess it's dark type. Comment down below if you think I'm right. 3, 2, and also comment down below what you think it is. 2, 1, 0. Am I right? Is it dark? It's poison, Golduck, super effective glasses. Look at that. That's really good. Heracross. Quillfish, Basculete, Pouchiana, Dinosaur, and Arcanine. That's it for that video. Today we're going to be doing other stuff like showing you iPad games that you can download on your iPad if you want. You don't have to. At the end, we'll show you all the cards in emotion. See you in cards.